The EV system service required warning is one of the most common issues reported by Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV owners. This warning indicates that the vehicle's computer has detected a problem within the electric vehicle components. When this warning appears on your dashboard, it means the vehicle's monitoring system has detected that one or more parameters in the electric vehicle system are operating outside their predetermined safe ranges. The EV system consists of six main components that work together. The high-voltage battery pack stores energy, electric motors provide propulsion, the power control unit manages power flow, the onboard charger converts AC to DC power, the DC-DC converter steps down voltage for auxiliary systems, and the battery management system monitors battery health. The vehicle control unit continuously monitors hundreds of parameters from all EV system components. When any parameter falls outside its predetermined safe range, the warning activates immediately as a safety precaution, often putting the vehicle into a reduced power mode to prevent damage. Based on extensive analysis of repair data, five main causes account for most EV system warnings. 12-volt auxiliary battery issues are the most common at 40% of cases, followed by high-voltage battery cell imbalance at 25%. Software glitches account for 15%, while charging system malfunctions and temperature-related issues each represent 10% of cases. Understanding these common causes helps owners and technicians quickly identify and resolve EV system warnings. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting steps and solutions for each of these issues. When the EV system service required warning appears, your first priority is safety. Pull over to a safe location immediately and turn off the vehicle completely. After restarting, carefully examine your dashboard for any additional warning lights. Multiple warnings often indicate related system problems that can help pinpoint the issue. Use an OBD2 scanner to read specific error codes from your vehicle's computer. This diagnostic tool connects to the port usually located under the dashboard and provides detailed information about what triggered the warning. The most common cause is 12-volt battery problems. Test the battery voltage. It should read 12.6 volts or higher when the car is off and 13.5 volts or higher when running. Also, check for corrosion on the terminals. For software-related glitches, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for at least 30 minutes. This clears temporary faults and resets the vehicle's computer systems. For battery imbalance issues, perform complete charge cycles monthly and use level 2 charging when possible. This helps balance the high-voltage battery cells and prevents capacity degradation. If the warning persists after these troubleshooting steps, or if multiple warning lights appear simultaneously, it's time to seek professional diagnosis. Don't ignore persistent warnings, as they may indicate serious system issues.